Hello everybody, my name's Jordan from Primary ICT Support. Today I'm going to be making another quick video tutorial. I'm going to be talking to you about how to change the page ordering and page settings. Not a lot of people that come to us with support queries ask about these page orderings or page settings, so I thought that I'd just show you that they actually exist and how you can use them. So to get started, as always, what you'd like to do is sign into your Primary CMS dashboard. Once you've signed in, you may know how to make a new page already, but I'm just going to talk you through it anyways. So down in the bottom right, you'll see the add new page. You'll want to type in the page name and the location of where you'd like that page. Once you've put in the page name and the location, just click save and you'll see your new page now appear on the list. So now that I've actually created this page, I'll notice down in the very bottom right that there is something called change page ordering. I'm going to go ahead and click this. And just by clicking it, I now see some numbers next to each of my pages, and this is how I change the page ordering. So a lot of you may have a menu on your website and you might want to move your page above another page or below another page, and you might just want to change that ordering in general. Some of you might have some links on a page that show the sub pages and you may want to change the ordering for them, and that's how you do so. They go up in 1, 2, 3, 4. You can reorder them however you like, and it's very easy to do. So I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to swap this testing HTML page with the class gallery page. So I'm going to keep that as a 1, and I'm just going to change the class gallery to a 0. You'll notice that it did flash green, which means it's saved, so I can reload the page. And as you can see, the class gallery is now above testing HTML. Once I'm done, I can click back again in the bottom right, hide page ordering, and the numbers are gone. Now if I wanted to go even further with this, I could. For the page that I'd like to edit, I'm just going to click the green pencil icon, and then up in the top right you'll notice another red bit of text which is labeled show page settings. So once you've clicked this, you'll see a few options. You can change the page name, you can change the location, which are two things that you set when making these pages. You can make the page password protected if you'd like, and you can also change the sub navigation position. So the easiest way to explain what a sub navigation is any pages that are below your page in the ordering will show at the top of your page or the bottom of your page. It depends where you want that navigation. Once you've changed all these things, you can click save and the page should save. And that's pretty much it. I know it's a quick one. I just wanted to talk and make you all aware of the options that you do have here over at Primary CMS. I hope you found some of this useful. If you have any questions or any support queries, please do make a ticket and we'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching.